Okay, we just removed 9 handrails. We're getting ready to get the pump running again. Just make sure, like this job is up in Clarkdale, that you're not pumping the water into a septic system. This particular one I checked, and we're draining it into a sewer clean out that's out back behind the buildings here. So I'll show you. Right here, that's where it's draining to, and the property manager showed me and gave us authorization to drain it there. Okay, we got the pool draining, everything's going. Rails are out. Did my equipment walkthrough, been thorough, double checked the measurement, verified the depth markers. Gonna send all that to the tile setter so he's sure to get what he needs. Equipment's in decent shape. It's 250,000 BTU heater. Everything was operational, no leaks. Janny valves are good. Guys, when you're doing these pre-construction drains, make sure you open the chlorinator on these commercial pools. If they're not in line, and you can tip them over, because what will happen is the chlorine will feed back and set inside of the heater and ruin the heater core. So just FYI, try to make sure that you do that. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, I just need to finish off and get my paperwork here. I talked to Paul, he said the light's not worked, it's never worked.
Right.
And that's it. This is my pre-construction thing that I went through.
Cool.
Just sign it and I'll leave you a copy so you know I've been here. And then this is another little deal of just things that come up occasionally. Sometimes there's rebars, sometimes the lights, the equipment, everything looks pretty good. Nothing was leaking. We left your chlorine feeder open so it aired out, and should be here Saturday to get the project rolling, and we'll split the drains at that time and get it going. There you are.
And then this one you want signed?
Yeah, just sign that, and it's just things that come up and occur.
And I assume Alex knows about all this stuff?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Perfect. Just don't know until you get in there kind of thing?
Yeah, but I don't see anything, but you just never know on
Right.
these old pools,
Right.
you know.
No, and that's understandable.
Well, thank you.
You
Well, I
bet.
appreciate it.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, we're all set.
All right.
Thank you.
You bet. You're gonna just let that run then?
Yeah, it's on a float. I mean, if you want to,
I can turn it off.
yeah, if you want to unplug it and get, you can unplug the float and suck the last little bit out. If you want to do that, fine. If not, no problem. I'm going to drag it over so it's a little more in the middle right now.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too, man.
Stay safe.
Thank you. Well, we're putting on these handrails. It's pretty slow going. We're drilling all the tile with this bit to get through the porcelain, and then taping it off to not scuff the tile. And then I'm having to come back and hit it with a hammer drill. But we're pre-drilling them over there right now. Get them on, but it's pretty slow going. Okay, we got it cleaned up, got the rails installed. Drains are split. Don't have a shop vac with me, but I got all the debris out. There's a little bit of water in there for the guys. Left some extra tile for the steps in case there's a problem, and a couple extra tiles for the water line. And we're gonna head back down to Phoenix. Okay, we got the pool finished, rails installed, new cobble in it. Job turned out really nice. We split the drains to bring the pool into VGB compliance. Jobs in Clarkdale, Arizona.